Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is a easy peasy. This dance is like a throwback. The music is, so your instructors, your students will enjoy this one because it's a sing-along. And it's perfect for your new people, the novice that comes in. You can easily cue it and keep the class moving. It's called Like a Lady. The song is Treat Her Like a Lady. The artist is The Temptations. And the choreography is Little Bit. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. Let's dance together. Watch till the end. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and share this video. And let's go. So we're going to start on this wall. And like I said, instructors, this is something you can just easily call out. Don't really have to teach it. And the music is a great selection for your class that are, middle to older age. Seasoned ladies, I'm going to say. So you're going to roll 2 times to the right. Right, left, right, tap, left, left, right, left, tap, right. So you're moving 2 times to the right, 2 times to the left. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right, right, tap, left, left, right, left, tap, right. Then you're going to rock up, recover, and turn back with a half turn. Right, left, right, left, right. With the right shoulder going back. And you're going to rock up on the left shoulder, the left leg, left foot, left, right, then turn back, left, right, left. So it's rock up, recover with a half turn back, rock up, return, recover. Make sure you do that triple step. Left up, rock up, recover, and turn back with a triple step, left, right, left. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So move, let's go back to the top, moving 2 times to the right, 2 times to the left, rock up, recover on the right, and rock up, recover, turn back, making a half turn on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, right. 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Up. 1, 2, turn 3 and 4, left. 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Okay, from here, we're just going to do a cha-cha. Cha-cha up, and then cha-cha back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, up, left, right, back, left, back, right, left. So that's a cha-cha up on the right, rock up, step up on the left, rock back, recover, then cha-cha back on the left. So whatever you do on the right, you're doing it on the left. Is right, rock up, recover, back on the left, right, back, right, left. So let's go back to the top. Real simple. This dance pretty much have 4 steps. 4 steps. So instructors, you're teaching your new people 4 steps, okay? So although it's an easy peasy, you're not stopping to teach a dance. You don't necessarily have to stop teaching a dance to stop to teach a dance to teach new people steps, okay? You don't have to teach. All you have to do is cue the dance. And while you're cueing the dance, they're doing the steps and you're using the line dance terminology. And that's how they're picking it up. So there's more than one way to pick up line dance terminology. Simply just by cueing it, depending on how simple the dance is. Or you can stop and teach the dance. Okay, let's go back to the top. 5, 6, 7. 2 steps to the right, left, right tap, left, right, left tap, right. Rock up, recover, right, left, right, rock up, recover, turn back, left, that cha-cha step. 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Make sure when you rock up, recover, you do that footwork, that triple step back, okay? Now we're gonna do a ballroom turn. Ballroom turn is pretty much like a cha-cha, but when you're cha-cha, is just like the step you just finished doing, but you're gonna make a half turn. So you go forward, and as you do in your cha-cha, you're gonna make a half turn with your left shoulder going forward, right shoulder going forward. So it looks like this. Right, rock, back, recover, and turn. Left, rock, back, recover. And that you're doing a half turn each time when you do the triple step. 5, 6, 7, step right. Right, rock, back, recover. Come forward on that left, rock, back, recover. And that's a ballroom turn. From here, we're finished. I told you it was a 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise. So that we would step into that first step that I taught you, rolling out to the right 2 steps. So you just walk into it. Right, tap left, right, tap right. So you're doing 2 things. You're making a quarter turn to your left and doing your step. Roll up. Right, tap left. 2 steps to the left. Right, tap right. Rock up, recover. Right, left, half turn back, triple step up. Left, recover, half, triple step. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2 up. 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, 7, 8. When you do that ballroom turn, your right shoulder come forward. Right, left, right, and that's a half turn. Then your left shoulder come forward. Left, rock, back, recover. From here, you finish with the dance. Quarter turn, your wall is always going to be to your left. 2 steps to the right. Right, tap left, right, tap right. Rock up, recover, turn back, triple step. Rock up, recover, triple step. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Ballroom turn, right shoulder come forward. 1 and 2, half, 3, 4, left come forward. 5 and 6, 7, 8. So that's the dance. Like a lady. Meet me in the next video so we can dance together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.